Ever found yourself juggling multiple crypto wallets, switching between different blockchains just to manage your digital assets? Frustrating, right? What if there was a way to connect all those isolated networks, a bridge that allowed you to seamlessly move and utilize your crypto across various ecosystems? That's the problem Bifrost aims to solve, and its native coin, BFC, is the key that unlocks this interconnected world. Think of the current blockchain landscape as a collection of separate islands. Each island, like Ethereum, Polkadot, or Binance Smart Chain, has its own unique set of rules, currencies, and applications. Moving assets between these islands can be complex, time-consuming, and often involves hefty fees. Bifrost envisions a unified continent where these islands are connected by robust bridges, allowing for the free flow of assets and information. At the heart of this vision lies the Bifrost protocol, a multi-chain middleware platform. It acts as a communication layer, enabling developers to build decentralized applications, dApps, that can operate across multiple blockchains simultaneously. Imagine a lending protocol that can access liquidity from Ethereum and offer it to users on Polkadot, or a decentralized exchange that can facilitate trades between assets native to different chains, all within a single, user-friendly interface. This is the power that Bifrost unlocks. Now, where does the BFC coin fit into this picture? BFC is the native utility token of the Bifrost network, and it plays several crucial roles in maintaining and powering the ecosystem. Firstly, it acts as the primary means of paying transaction fees within the Bifrost network. Just like you need gas on Ethereum to execute transactions, you'll likely need BFC to interact with dApps built on Bifrost and to facilitate cross-chain transfers. Secondly, BFC is integral to the network's governance. Holding BFC may grant users the ability to participate in decision-making processes, such as proposing and voting on protocol upgrades, feature implementations, and the allocation of network resources. This ensures that the Bifrost ecosystem evolves in a decentralized and community-driven manner. Furthermore, BFC plays a vital role in securing the network through staking. Users can stake their BFC tokens to support the network's operations and, in return, earn rewards. This mechanism not only incentivizes participation but also enhances the security and stability of the Bifrost platform. Beyond these core utilities, BFC also acts as the fuel for the Bifrost ecosystem. As more dApps are built on the platform and cross-chain activity increases, the demand for BFC is likely to grow. This increased demand could potentially lead to appreciation in its value, incentivizing early adopters and further fueling the growth of the Bifrost network. In essence, Bifrost Coin, BFC, isn't just another cryptocurrency, it's the lifeblood of a platform aiming to break down the silos between different blockchains. It's the fee that enables transactions, the voice that shapes governance, the stake that secures the network, and the fuel that powers a multi-chain future. By facilitating seamless interoperability, Bifrost and its BFC token are paving the way for a more connected, efficient, and user-friendly decentralized web. It's about creating a future where the underlying blockchain becomes less of a barrier and more of a transparent infrastructure, allowing users and developers to interact with the best features and assets across the entire crypto space. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.